The famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota is bringing a new 5-seater SUV named as Corolla Cross in the Indian market. The SUV is built on the company's modular TNGA-C platform. Toyota is already selling this SUV in some of the Asian markets like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia and Philippines. Toyota has a plan to bring it as a C-segment SUV in the Indian market in the end of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 14 to 18 lakhs ex-showroom. After launching the Indian market, the SUV will be the rival of other compact SUVs like Kia Seltos, Jeep Compass and MG Hector. Talking about the power, the new Corolla Cross presently comes with two engine options. 1.8-liter 4-cylinder inline-4 petrol engine which can be able to generate 140 bhp of power and 175 Nm of peak torque, and a 1.8-liter petrol electric hybrid engine setup where a 600 volt additional electric motor provides 72 bhp of power and 163 Nm of peak torque. The engines are mated to a eCVT gearbox. In terms of dimension, the SUV is 4460 mm in length, 1825 mm in width, 1620 mm in height and has the wheelbase of 2640 mm. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV receives sportier rugged look with dual-tone exterior. Up front it gets sleek LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish chrome-accented black front grille with Toyota badging at the center, sleek black air inlets with inserted LED fog lights housing, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding and front silver skid plate. The side profile gets power heated wall beams with indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, roof rail, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, large wheel arcs with black cladding and new setup 17-inch 10-spoke crystal cut alloy wheels. The rear profile receives wrap-around sleek LED taillights, Toyota badging at the center of the boot, rear washer, defogger and rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, roof-mounted shark fin antenna, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dual-tone dashboard setup with dash-mounted silver highlighted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, 7-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information display, new dash-mounted floating big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, Toyota Connect features, premium JBL sound system, remote trunk opener, dual-zone automatic climate control, QI wireless smartphone charger, push-button start and stop, ambient lighting, new electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, remote keyless entry, rear AC vents, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable